Welcome to today's session of our modeling. Today we will look at how to model or design a graph paper using the Excel package. So once in your Excel document, just go to your view, click on view. Once on view, choose page mode. Once it goes to page mode, you see now your document looks like this. From there you go to insert. Once in insert, go to table. Under the table, select a few columns and rows and ensure that the table contains no header. Okay, once that is done, you are going to uncheck the filter button, you are going to uncheck the band line, you are going to uncheck the header line. From there you click on this one, left click on it, one, right click back on it, and you choose delete. Once this is done, come here and you select this arrow to select the whole document. At this juncture, come to any of these letters and right click, then choose column size. Since I'm working in millimeters, I'm going to choose 2 millimeters. Okay, the same way you come to any of these numbers on the left, right click and choose height of the line, the height line or the spacing of the lines, and then we are going to still choose 2 millimeters since we are working in millimeters. So your document now looks like this. Inside you see now your table here. This is our table we've inserted, so we will left click on it, pull it to the right, left click again on it and pull to the bottom part until we meet the end of the page. I don't want to cross the page, so I'll stop here. Okay, once this is done, I will have to make the colors look like that of a standard graph paper. So while the document is still selected like this, I will come to borders and I will choose line colors. I will choose the line colors to be green. Then I'll come back to the borders and I will select all borders, so it actually appears now like a graph paper. So what is left now is for me to add the big lines. So I will simply zoom my document like this. Then I will come to this upper section where we have the letters. I will left click and hold, then pull from left to right, and I will select the first 5 columns. I will come back to borders, then I will select external borders only. I will do same, select again from letter F for the next 5 columns. So I end at J, I come back to borders and I choose again external borders. So I will repeat this procedure until I will cover the entire. So I'm selecting until the last one. Okay, once I'm done with this side, I will simply come now on the left end and I'll have to repeat the same procedure for the lines. So I'll select the first 5 lines, I'll come back to borders and I'll select external borders. I'll proceed with the next set of 5 lines and I will repeat the procedure until I cover the whole page. So we do this and we see now that our graph paper looks just like a normal one that we know. So the next thing now will be for us to print this out on a paper so that we can have it as a standard graph paper. So that is okay. So at this juncture now we can just choose our print, Control E, and we are good to go. So we see it already here appear like a normal graph paper. So at this juncture, what we just need to do is we can select an active zone. So we can select an active zone. So we have not selected, so let's just select the active zone that we need to print. We pull it out like this. We pull it out like this until we are at the end of our page. Now we select Control P and within the zone of printing we